From the field to your plate, ever wondered what it takes to create that perfect bottle of Heinz Tomato Ketchup? Welcome to DAE HWANG, where today, we're diving deep into the fascinating journey of one of the world's most iconic condiments. Join me as we explore the meticulous process that transforms sun-ripened tomatoes into the rich, tangy ketchup we all know and love. From the farm's first harvest to the final squeeze on your favorite meal, every step is a testament to quality and tradition. Ready to uncover the secrets behind that perfect pour? Let's get started. Before delving into the production process, it's important to understand the legacy of Heinz Tomato Ketchup. Founded in 1869 by Henry J. Heinz, the Heinz Company has become synonymous with ketchup, setting the standard for quality and taste. The original recipe has remained largely unchanged, and the company's commitment to using the finest ingredients has been a hallmark of its success. Over the decades, Heinz has perfected the art of making ketchup, ensuring that every bottle meets the high expectations of consumers worldwide. Harvesting tomatoes at their peak ripeness is crucial for achieving the signature taste of Heinz Tomato Ketchup. Careful observation and testing ensure that the tomatoes have reached the ideal balance of flavor and texture. Unlike many crops, these tomatoes are typically harvested mechanically, allowing for quick and efficient collection. Mechanical harvesters gently remove the tomatoes from the vines, minimizing damage. The harvested tomatoes are then swiftly transported to the processing plant, often within hours, to preserve their freshness and ensure the quality of the final product. The harvested tomatoes are typically loaded onto trucks equipped with trailers designed to minimize damage during transport. These trailers often have soft-sided or padded interiors to prevent bruising and crushing of the tomatoes, which is important for maintaining the quality of the final product. The tomatoes are usually transported in bulk, with thousands of pounds being moved at once. After the tomatoes are harvested, they are quickly transported to the processing factory to ensure they retain their freshness and quality. This transportation is a critical step in the production process, as the quality of the tomatoes can deteriorate rapidly once they are picked. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the tomatoes undergo several steps to prepare them for cooking. The first step is a thorough washing process to remove any dirt, debris, or pesticides that may be present on the surface of the tomatoes. This washing is done using a combination of water jets and brushes to ensure that the tomatoes are as clean as possible. Next, the tomatoes are sorted and inspected. This is a crucial step in the process, as any damaged, unripe, or otherwise unsuitable tomatoes must be removed to ensure the quality of the ketchup. Sorting is done using a combination of manual inspection and automated systems, which use cameras and sensors to detect defects. The tomatoes that pass inspection are then ready for pulping. Pulping is the process of breaking down the tomatoes to separate the juice and flesh from the skins and seeds. This is done using specialized equipment that crushes the tomatoes and pushes the resulting mixture through a series of screens. The screens are designed to allow only the juice and pulp to pass through while retaining the skins and seeds, which are removed and often used for other purposes, such as animal feed or fertilizer. Heinz Tomato Ketchup's exact recipe is a well-guarded secret known only to a few. While the basic ingredients, tomato concentrate, vinegar, sugar, salt, and spices, are known, the specific proportions and spice blend remain undisclosed giving Heinz its distinctive flavor. The mixture is carefully cooked to meld flavors and pasteurize the ketchup, ensuring safety and a long shelf life. Advanced technology monitors the cooking process to guarantee consistency. Quality control is a cornerstone of Heinz's production process, and every batch of ketchup is subjected to rigorous testing before it is approved for bottling. This begins with sensory evaluations. Where trained taste testers sample the ketchup to ensure that it has the correct flavor profile. They check for balance in sweetness, acidity, and spice, as well as the overall mouthfeel and consistency. Once the ketchup has passed all quality control checks, it is ready to be bottled. The bottling process is a highly automated operation designed for speed and efficiency. The ketchup is filled into sterilized bottles while still hot, which helps to create a vacuum seal when the bottle is capped. This vacuum seal is important for preserving the freshness of the ketchup and preventing contamination. After filling, the bottles are sealed with sterilized caps to ensure they're bacteria-free. Then quickly cooled to set the vacuum seal. The final step is automated labeling, where each bottle receives the iconic Heinz branding and required information, preparing them for distribution. Once labeled, the bottles are packed for distribution. This often involves grouping the bottles into plastic-wrapped bundles or placing them in protective cardboard boxes for shipping. The packaging is designed to protect the bottles during transport, ensuring they arrive on store shelves in perfect condition, ready for consumers to enjoy. The entire process, from bottling to packaging, ensures that Heinz Tomato Ketchup maintains its high quality from the factory floor to your kitchen table. When you enjoy Heinz Ketchup, you're tasting the freshness of tomatoes carefully harvested at their peak and swiftly transported to the factory. Every step ensures the tomatoes' natural sweetness and flavor are preserved, delivering the quality you love in every squeeze.